video. Today we're going to be doing a little quick install. It's actually really quick, really cool, really fun. Working on this G37 sedan, and it's a product by Diode Dynamics. First step we're going to be doing is you want to take out this clip right here. What you're going to do is take out clip 1, clip 2, clip 3, and clip 4, and pull this whole entire thing back and out. Having a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, makes it so much easier pulling these off. You guys might have some trouble because there's a tab here, tab here. All you gotta do is pull up, back out. Then this connector comes out. Then what you do is you take that harness that you got from Diode Dynamics, and they literally plugs in line. One side, one corner of the harness that you got. The male end goes into the female end of the body harness, like so. And then this end goes into there. What you want to do is try to tuck this away. Make sure it doesn't hit the carpet. And then you want to get the harness all tucked away. If you have halos into your your tail lamp assemblies, you can plug these in. Other than that, everything just kind of sits back here, and then you take resistor, you can put 3M or drill it in, and just secure it kind of back and away where the carpet's never going to hit it. Pretty much that's how it works. This is the one where we plugged in the Diode Dynamics harness, plug and play. This is the one that's the OEM. So this is how it's going to look like. A little bit OEM without having to change out your bulbs in there. That's how they look like once they're all plugged in, and that's how you do the Diode Dynamics turn signal harness on the 2011 G35 G37. It goes up to 14.
Yeah.
Bet.